Hey friends, if you wish to install and use DuckDuckGo browser on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. First of all, search for Store in the Windows search bar and then open the Microsoft Store. After opening the Microsoft Store, you can paste it here. Just paste Duck, DuckGo here and then go to the browser. Click on install, and that's how you can install the DuckDuckGo browser on your Windows 11 computer. It will start checking for dependencies, then it will start preparing download, then it will download it, and then it will install it. So it needs a while. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.